Hi everybody, in this video I want to update you guys on my positions on Alibaba and how they're doing. So right now Alibaba is at $258.36. So if you don't know what Alibaba is, what I think of them is they're basically the Amazon of China. They sell a bunch of stuff online, people buy things from there, and it's not just Chinese people. I know tons of people from the United States who buy things from Alibaba. And a lot of people, they actually make a living off of Alibaba. So one thing that people do is they basically buy things from Alibaba, and then once it gets to the United States, they resell it at a higher price and make a profit that way. Or they basically set up like an online shop, and then people shop on their store and indirectly buy things from Alibaba, and then the seller pockets the difference. Another thing that I notice people do is designers, like they make bags or pins or stuff like that, and they get people from Alibaba to basically make it for them, and then they send it over to wherever country they're from, and then they sell it for higher than it costs to make it. So Alibaba is kind of ubiquitous. Like, a lot of people use it. They either buy things from the actual Alibaba store or AliExpress, or they use it to make a living, and they make money by basically reselling things that they buy from Alibaba. Alright, so currently I have 3 different spreads on Baba right now. So here's the first one. This is a Baba 195-200 call debit spread. This expires on February 19th. I have 10 of them. The break-even price is $199.50. So as long as Alibaba stays above $199.50, I'm going to make a profit. So far, the cost, as you can see, is $4,500, and the current market value is $4,750. So my total return so far is $250. That's a 5.56% profit. So this is going well so far. And this expires soon in February. So as long as Baba doesn't crash between now and then, we should be fine. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So I have a Baba 205-210 call debit spread. This expires in April 16th. I have 10 of these. The break-even price is $208.51. So as long as Baba stays above $208.51, I'll make a profit. So the cost basis for this, the cost is $3,510, and the current market value is $4,500. So the total return so far on this one is plus $990. That's a 28.21% gain. So this is going really well. I think out of all my plays, this is actually the one doing the best out of my Alibaba plays. And then lastly, I have this Alibaba 210-220 call debit spread. This one expires way later, November 19th. So towards the end of the year, we have plenty of time on this. I can hold on to these for months and months and months. I have 10 of these. The break-even price is going to be $216.50. So as long as Alibaba stays above $216.50, I'll make a profit. Hopefully, it stays that way until November. Right now, it is above that price. It's at $258.36. So it's way above the strike prices that I chose. The cost for this was $6,500. I opened this one recently, and Robinhood is notoriously known for being bad at filling orders, so I had to basically open it at a price that I wasn't too comfortable with, just so I can get the order filled. That's just how it is with Robinhood. So the market value right now is $6,450. So I'm actually down $50 on this play. However, if we look at all my plays in general, my total position, as we can see here, I have 60 contracts. The value is $15,700, and the total return so far is plus $1,190. That's an 8.20% return so far. And some of these options, some of these spreads, they're gonna expire November. I think one expires in April. So some of them expire months from now. So I still have plenty of months to go before they reach their max profit. So right now, I am still bullish on Baba. It is above all the strike prices that I chose. The highest one that I've chosen is 220, and it's at 258 right now. Their earnings are coming up. It's in February 2nd, I believe. Let me check. Wait, where is it? Okay, right here, yeah. So available February 2nd, pre-market. That's coming up in about 1.5 weeks. Let's hope that they had a good quarter. And even if they didn't, if it goes down, as long as it stays above 220, I'll still feel comfortable. Now, a lot of news recently, Baba has been really hit hard with negative rumors and things like that. But recently, a lot of them have been basically dispelled. So, Alibaba on Singles Day, that was in November, gross merchandise volume during that period, according to Alibaba, was $74.1 billion. This compares with $38 billion in a 24-hour period on 11/11 in 2019. So that's a huge jump from the previous year. And if we compare that with Amazon's 2020 Prime Day, that only garnered, right? Well, that garnered $10.4 billion in gross merchandise sales. Think about that for a second. Amazon on Prime Day, $10.4 billion. Alibaba on Singles Day, $74.1 billion. That's huge. I mean, wow. Obviously, a lot of people buy things and shop on Alibaba. There were recently rumors that Alibaba would get delisted or banned from the United States stock markets. And it says here, this is the Wall Street Journal, Americans won't be banned from investing in Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu. So the rumors, they have been dispelled. Alibaba is not going to be banned from investors in America. So that's great. And lastly, Jack Ma. He went missing and people thought, I don't know, they thought he died. They thought maybe he got captured and I don't know. But there were so many rumors about his disappearance because nobody saw him. But finally, Jack Ma made his first public appearance in months, proving that he's still alive and not dead. So that's great news. So yeah, I think after being beaten down by a bunch of negative news, I think Alibaba has finally became more stable. And fundamentally, I think they're just a great business. Obviously, a lot of people use them for many different reasons. And I think people will continue to use them in 2021. So yeah, that's my position on Alibaba. That's how it's going so far. And it's good. I'm up over $1,000. And like I said, a lot of my plays have still plenty of months to go before they reach their max profit. So there's even more money to be made if I hang on to my plays. And I'll update you guys on how it's going, if I lose money, if I make money. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.